Hello everyone, this is Don and welcome to the Resolute Test Kitchen. Today I have a fun one for you. We're going to take a look at this instant coffee packet. Now this is a Starbucks Italian roast coffee packet, but the cool thing about this one is that it is almost 12 years past its best by date. So this was best before May 22nd, 2010. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this instant coffee, I'm going to make it, and I'm going to compare it to some Aldi brand instant coffee. We'll have I already have the Aldi's instant coffee in here. I will put the packet in here, and then we'll heat up some water, do some measurements on it to make sure we have the proper amount. The Starbucks calls for 8 ounces, the Aldi's calls for 6. We'll make our coffee and we'll do a taste test. So kind of the big reason I want to do this is, one, I think it's kind of fun when I have an old coffee packet like this to try it out, and two, if you are putting away instant coffee for difficult times or something like that, be nice to gauge how far past your best by date this will be good for. So let's jump into it. All right, so the Aldi brand is 6 ounces, and the Starbucks is going to be 8. Give each of them a stir here. Then I'll give them about 30 seconds or so. I'll give them a few minutes to cool down. I don't like my coffee too hot. So this is Starbucks. This is the Aldi. Also on this one, just kind of packet just a little bit of the backstory on this one. This followed me around in a backpacking kit for a number of years. So it had been froze and thawed in hot weather and in cold weather. So if this packet can hold up and taste all right after all these years, I can't imagine you having stored this in like your basement or something, or in better climates, that wouldn't hold up either. All right, so time for our taste test. I'm going to start with the Starbucks. Definitely strong, pretty dark roast, honestly. Honestly, it tastes fine. Tastes like it's like normal, just bold black standard coffee. Definitely could use a little bit more water. I don't mind my coffee a little bit stronger, but it's not weak, or the flavor hasn't faded or anything like that. And it's quite good though. I enjoy that a lot. Compare it to the Aldi's. Yeah, it's the same. It's actually not as good. The Aldi brand instant coffee is decent. It's not quite as good as some of the higher end ones, but it's a lot more affordable. It does in a pinch, and if I need instant coffee, this is what I typically go to. But it's not bad. It's just not as much of a dark roast flavor. I think it's just more of the style than anything. But both of these are perfectly fine and acceptable. The Starbucks held fine, so I'd say 12 years plus. I mean, I don't really taste any difference from what I would have expected. So I think you're good to go with a cup of coffee like this. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. This is Don with Resolute Outdoors. Please like, share, and subscribe down below. If you haven't hit that like button, go ahead and do that as well. Also down below in the description, I'll have a link to our Instagram page. So thanks for tuning in. See ya.